From the GoodWe's perspective, we feel that Smart Energy Council is a key member for the industry. We've seen a lot of difference that John Grimes personally has brought up, and with Jeff and the other members of the Smart Energy Council. So hence why we really feel proud to be a part of and sponsor the Smart Energy Council and to encourage them to do more benefits for the industry for the future as well. The Smart Installer Roadshow has always been a very interesting event for GoodWe. The primary reason is because we can get in touch with directly the booths on the ground. We are in touch with installers. We can put those faces to those calls we usually get on an everyday basis. We can hear the installers' concerns and product improvements. So we always greatly value this sort of installer roadshows that's conducted by Smart Energy Council. So in the current roadshow for this year, we are primarily focusing on the new single-phase and the three-phase ESA all-in-one inverters. The three-phase ESA has been currently listed with CEC. The stock's expected to arrive end of March. So it is currently in high demand, and we're really proud to bring the three-phase as well to this mix.